Hi guys, in today's lecture I'm going to explain how to add a node beginning of the linked list. In the beginning of the linked list, how do we can add the node. So that is the one thing, and one more thing is that suppose if we are having linked list like this 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and null like this. Suppose if we are having the linked list like this means, suppose if we want to add after any particular node, suppose if we want to add after 4 if we want to add, then to add that particular node after particular given node, so I was created one function for that one as well. So today in today's lecture we will going to discuss the two functions which will be add node in the front, I mean at the beginning of the list, and after particular node how we can add the new node. So these are the two functions which will be going to learn today. So let's get started. So what is so add the node in the front, I mean beginning, how do we can add the node in the front. So just we need to pass whatever the node if we want to attach at the beginning of the list, we need to pass that node. I mean that node means just we need to pass the data which we want to insert in the node. Okay, so we are passing 1 and we want to insert this one in the beginning. Okay, right? So this is the beginning, right? So see, so 1 will come here. So if the head is, if suppose if there are no nodes in the list, then at that time head will be null, right? So head will be, at that time head will be new node. I mean that the node which was sent to this function as a parameter will be the new node, and head will be the point to that node. So if suppose if in the list, suppose there are some nodes like 4 to 5 nodes are there, at that time this else condition will be executed. So what will happen at that time? So we'll see what will happen. Suppose we have to create the new node first actually. The data, by using the data we have to create a new node, and this is the PTR is a temporary pointer, that's why I made it as a global, so we can use anywhere in the class, right? So PTR is new node, and this PTR data, I mean actually this dot next should point to head, because already suppose we have some list, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 like this we are having the list. So now 1 as the head, right? So if we want to insert suppose 5, but this 5 should be inserted in the first, right? So it should be inserted in the 5. So we are created the 5, that is the meaning of this line, and the PTR is pointing to this 5, and BTR dot next should points to this head, right? Then only it will become the first, right? So that's the reason PTR dot next should points to head, and what we need to make, actually head is now pointing to 1 only, so we need to change that pointer to 5. So now head becomes 5, so head becomes PTR, so PTR becomes head, right? So we need to assign this PTR pointer to head. So now head is pointing to 5 and the PTR is also pointing to 5. Anyway PTR is a temporary pointer, right? Every time we will execute, that will be refreshed and that will be removed, so no need to worry like this. So we will add a node in the beginning of a list. So what is the next function? Suppose in the list, suppose we are having these many functions, right? I mean this list, right? In this list we are having these many number of nodes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Suppose if we want to add 34 node after 4, so how we can add? That is done by using this function. So what is this function? I will explain about this function, what is happening in this function. So suppose if we want to insert a particular node after a given node, means we need to travel till that node. I mean after which node we want to insert, we have to travel till that node, right? So if we found that node, that is the reason, I mean while PTR is not equals to null, I mean this will be loop will be iterator till the PTR becomes null, right? So in the meantime we need to check every PTR data is equals to the given data. If we found that data, so at that time we have to create a new node, that should be that, and we have to assign it with temporary pointer. So the temp dot next should points to PTR dot next, because I'll explain. So suppose we are having the list like this, Suppose if we want to assign after 5, right, we are what is the data we are inserting here? 34, right? So 34. So this is the new meaning of new node of data 2. This is the meaning of this 34. The new node is created and temp is pointing to this node. So we have to insert after 4, right? So what we have to do, temp dot next should points to ptr dot next. Ptr dot next means what? 5. This after 34 dot next should points to 5, right? So 5, and ptr dot next should points to 10, means 3 should be in front, right? So that is the reason I made these two conditions. And if we found that data and if we changes the pointers, then we can break this loop and we can come out of the loop. Like this, we have to iterate the loop. So in this way we can insert a node after a given particular node. So we will execute this program. If you are not clear, then you can comment it out in the comment section. So I'll be trying to clear it out everything. So see first I found. So actually we were inserted these y nodes, right, first, and we want to insert the one as the first. One as the first, right? So 1 will become function, and again we insert add node in the front of 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And after 4 we want to insert 34 and 100. So after 4, 34, after 4 we become 100. First we inserted 34, and after that, after 4 we inserted 100. So like this we have to insert. Thank you.